very important concept. Trigger means it is a stored program invoked automatically in response to an event, like while doing insert operation and update operation, delete operation, or you can write a trigger for creating, alter, drop also. Okay, just like monitor kind of thing. Like see, I have one table. In real time, I'm giving some example in real time. So I have one table. Okay, that is very important table. Okay, generally in the office, so many members are there for database developers, like around 10 members are there. Okay, like table 1. Okay, so 10 members are there for database developing. So this is very important table and master table. Okay. So I want to know for each and every operation on this table, like if you want to do some adding additional column, I want to know, and adding changing the data type, and inserting some data, updating data, deleting data, everything I want to know. Okay, I want to know on daily basis. Like if you create a trigger on this, then anyone can insert the data, then it will be automatically populated into some other table. Okay, not inserting only, according to the trigger type. Okay, we can able to capture the information. Okay, so if you want to write the table, right, like if you want to write the trigger for creating extra column. Okay, whenever some people creates one column, I want to know that. So you can write respective trigger. No, I want to write a trigger for whenever data is updated, whenever data is inserted, whenever data is deleted from the table. Okay, so if you write respective trigger, then it will automatically populated into that respective table. Okay, so I will tell one example, then only you can able to understand. And here, what are the advantages? So triggers gives an alternative way to run scheduled tasks. So run scheduled task means, suppose one program you have written, but that program, this particular time only that program has to be executed. Okay, that is scheduled task. Okay, time, we will set the time at particular timestamp only that program will be executed. That is scheduled task. Okay, job scheduling. So I will explain that job scheduling, how to put that job scheduling in later sessions. Okay, so it is some like alternative way of job scheduling. Okay, so by using triggers, you don't have to wait for scheduled event to run, because triggers are invoked automatically before or after a change is made to the table. Okay, as I said that it will automatically executed, invoked whenever that particular respective change has been done. Okay, so first of all, what are the different types of triggers? Okay, so triggers are different, mainly two types. So DDL trigger, DML trigger. So we are all know that what is DDL and DML trigger, DML. Okay, so in DDL trigger, create table, alter table, drop table. Okay, so these are the different types of triggers, DDL database level events, like that. So create table means, so I want to have information like whenever table is created, then that is create table type of trigger. Alter table means I want to have the information whenever some particular table is altered. Okay, drop table means when particular table is dropped, so I want to have some information. Okay, So for storing such kind of information, I am going to use one table like create table audit. Audit is keyword, so we should not use that keyword as a table name on column name also, like, okay. Audit data, okay. So here serial number integer and identity of 1 comma 1 and message is also keyword. So description is also keyword. Okay. Air care of 4000 and created date time default get date. Okay, so I have created this table and I am writing DDL trigger for creating table. Okay, so create trigger. This is syntax and trigger name tr underscore create as on database or create table as begin. Okay, so insert audit data insert audit data. So here what are the column name? Description values table created. Okay, like you can use new table created. Okay, so I have created this trigger. Now I'm going to, and you can give some print statement like same message. Now I'm going to create one table. So what are the tables I have? Table T1. Okay, and here column 1 integer. So just testing purpose I am creating this table. See, new table created. Okay, so if you want you can check in this audit table, new table created. Okay, and I want to change like change the data type or adding one more column. like alter table. So same trigger, I'm taking this and copy here. You can write here alter. Okay, so table alter, same message, table altered. Okay, print table altered and create this, create for altered. Now table T1 add column 2 varchar of 50, table altered. So if you want to check, you can check table altered. Okay, next table drop. Drop, drop, table dropped. Drop, table drop. See, table dropped. We got it, and you can go and check this table drop. Okay, so if you want to, if you don't want to use 3 triggers for 3 operations, then you can write 1 trigger and you can put all these with comma separator. So this time, so what type of trigger for DDL? Okay, so DDL perform. So DDL trigger na. So wait a minute. So now I have created these triggers. Have to copy here. See, now I am going to create one more time. See, DDL performed. Okay, I want to add one more column. See, same type of error, and I want to drop that table, same perform. Okay, so you can check this audit table, see how many times it has performed. Okay, and one more thing here, DDL database level events. Suppose if you put this DDL database events like here. Okay, so here I am going to use event data. Okay, so this will define what type of error we got it. That means we will check refresh and here database. Implicit convection. Okay, so this will return XML, so better to have one more column name which data type of XML. Alter table audit data, add uh, event data, description. Okay, data type is XML. See, now same column name I am using for capturing that event. Okay, so now again I am going to create same table. It was already dropped. Okay, and see we will check this audit data table, and here copy happen. See what type of table I have created. Okay, that command, entire command will be stored in this column. Okay, and one more thing, if I add one more column to that table, and again that command, entire command will be stored. Okay, see what is that command, see that. Okay, so if I dropped that table and go to that audit table, see the drop command what I have used, so that entire thing that will be stored in audit table. Okay, so here DDL trigger will be stored in database triggers. Okay, so in this place it will be stored, and DML trigger it will stored in table level triggers. Like here if you expand any table, so you can able to see the triggers. Okay, DML triggers will be stored in this place, and DDL trigger will be stored database level triggers. Okay, so this is about uh, see database level events. Okay, we can able to get clear information what type of query we have been executed. Okay, and same with minor difference like create trigger uh, server. Okay, I have given this name, and on all server. Okay, and removing this database, and for DDL database level events. Okay, so same thing we will check what will happen in order to get print statement. So it is better to use this event data directly so that we can able to get the data directly. So I'm going to create it. Implicit conversion XML cannot allowed. Use the convert function to run the query. Now I'm going to create database D5. Okay. Here it is. Server objects, triggers, create trigger, tr server, all server. Okay. Select here it is. Use D5. Next, I am creating table T2 in database D5. Okay. D4 dot dbo dot target string size is too small. Thanks. Okay. Otherwise, better to use select. And you can go to this table. Serial number descending. See, so here all server means across this server what type of DDL operation you have done. So, okay, I want to know that information. Okay, for that this keyword we have to put like this. Okay, on all server for DDL database level events. Okay, so see here first of all we have to mention that table name with database name. Okay, D4 is the my database name and DBO is the schema name and audit data is the table name. Okay, so if I create anything under this any database, okay, then it will automatically store that information in audit table which lies in D4 database. Okay, so for example, see, I am going to create one more column in T2 table name. Okay, under the D5 database. Okay, see, I have used that query. What I have used for creating that column, same column I can get it. Okay, and suppose I want to drop that table, T2 table. See, same query I can get it. Okay, so like that. So this all server means, remember that this is local server. Okay, so in this server, whatever I have created, for example, any kind of DDL operation I have done, that information will be stored in audit data which lies in D4 database. Okay, you can able to get it. Okay, and this is the at what time it has been created, that timestamp. Okay, so this server level triggers that is exist in here. If you expand server objects, then you can able to see triggers under this. You can able to see that trigger name. Okay, so in real time this self statement will not be used. So for your understanding purpose, so I have written like this. Okay, just you have written like you will write like this, insert query only. So you don't write select query. Okay, so this is about DDL statement, DDL triggers. Okay, you can create individual trigger for each and every command, and or else you can write it one statement so that it can applicable for all the commands. Okay, if you use server level trigger, then you can use it so that you come to know in which database which type of DDL operation will be done. Okay, so that is about database DDL database level events at server level. Okay, for that you have to use on all server keyword. Okay, so this is about DDL triggers.